Hello, welcome to Kap Industries. This video is the install video for the Evo 4, 5 and 6. It's a very simple installation. What you'll receive in the package is a fire extinguisher bracket that looks like that. It comes with all the necessary hardware to install your fire extinguisher cage to the bracket. The install procedure is quite easy and I'll show you how to do that right now. Locate these two 14mm seat bolts and use a socket and wrench to remove those two bolts. You need to be able to remove the rear seat bolts as well. They're located just here next to the center console. Use your socket and ratchet to remove that, and the other one is over here. It's located under a plastic cap, which you just remove by lifting up and flicking out the way. The two seat bolts are removed very easily. After removing the rear seat bolts, lift the seat adjuster and slide it all the way back. Then carefully lift the front of the seat until the stud is completely free, because the bracket needs to go underneath the seat foot. So lift the whole front of the seat up and slide the bracket underneath. Just like that. Then once it's like that, you slide the seat and push it forward back again until it lines up. Then just grab the two nuts and install them back again. And slide the chair forward and install the two rear bolts as well. After you've installed the rear bolts, just slip the little plastic cover back on. It just slips over and clips down. And torque up the front seat bolts as well. Now you're ready to install your extinguisher and extinguisher cage to the bracket using the supplied hardware. After the cage is installed, slip the extinguisher inside its holder. All done.